Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at my dad's house in Houston. Gonna do a 2024 tour of my parent backyard. Look at this patio that he built. We can sit back here and enjoy, relax with or Mary. Look at all this flower he has. He had a dragon plant right here in the pot, and around on Mary we have beautiful indoor flower. Another dragon plant over here. Some sort of that's probably thick flower. And these are cement pot that my dad self-made. Now on to the garden. This is guy leaf, and we have some peach. Let's see, assorted peach, and mint down there, lemongrass. This is probably ginger or some sort. Pepper is drying off. More ginger and pepper, and here is grass jelly plant right here. Moving on over here is the whole Jarvis system. I love my dad's patio. He has the clear cover on the top, and he has a string light going around that you can turn on from here. That's the middle light, and the second switch for the string light. Coming on there. I wonder if he has it on sensor, like light sensor, and he has a shade here that can be raised down and up. It's pretty cool. This is new thing that he just add to keep the shade. Pretty cool. And here we have bee. This is called bee. Not sure what's the name in English, so I will put it on the description here. There's a lot of these, and my parent has harvested about 20 of these so already, and give it to the church in the neighbor where they go to as a donation, and the church can sell it to raise money for the church. how my dad do the traverse, just fence bore, and he rip it into like an inch and a half, and he raised it up with the fence bore. And over here, B is much bigger than the left side. And this is how it's more younger, and once it's get bigger, it's gonna have some sort of powder on the outside to protect it to last longer. And here we have Chuchubi. It's called Tao Tao. And we have another probably different variety peach here. This is pear lay. We have solar LED around, looks really nice at night. More pepper all over. And this is some sort of a vegetable you can cut and you cook it as soup. Alright, moving on to the back here. More of those, all vegetable here. I think this is lay pear. Some head out here. Hair plant right here. And we have these probably bowl. And okra over there. Those kind of getting too big now. And here we have mướp hương. Shisho leaf. This is what they use to eat sushi at the restaurant. And this is a fish, I think fish mint, no, fish leaf, rau diếp cá. And here we have bon choy, rau muống. It's just not implanted in these yet, but this is bào right here, more mướp hương right here. And this one is lammer used for eating like to eat lammer for when you drink beer and have a party, have some special dish that you can use that with. And this is potato plant right here. You can harvest the leaf and you know, steam it, boil it and eat it. More jujube right here. We have a banana plant back here. My mom harvests the leaf to make some bánh bột lọc and other thing. We have sugar cane right here. More jujube. More sugar cane. And I think more lay right here. Pear or something. And more lagai right here. Grow really good. And here we have lalot. White betel leaf, bạc hà, and we have papaya in here, rau răm, and củ kiệu right here. Alright, I think that's pretty much it of the garden tour. And this is all my dad tool right here. He got it much more organized than my garden is. We use all these right here. This is culantro. It grows pretty well here. A couple of other plants in here. I think this one you use to make rau gì? I forgot. Aloe vera, guava right here. Oh, this I think this is palm right here. Alright guys, I'm wrapping it up from here for the tour. Thanks for following me guys. Please like, subscribe for more. In my dad's garage, his garage is also very organized. So you can see if you can use some idea for your garage. You have some dot playing ball right here. He have his shelf for car stuff here, cleaning, washing stuff, and some of his file for compound house finish drywall. He got a grinder right here, table and my morning coffee. I have all this stuff up here, shelving for the shoes, and he has a cabinet here for his construction work clothes, but he retired now, so he only do some small jobs. Let me turn on the light here. Alright, got some Makita tools, his favorite Makita tools, and a DeWalt saw. All his tools in here. All his tools that he has gathered since 1997 that we came here to the US. So some of these are old tools, but you can take a look how he organized all his tools here. And he just moved to Houston for about 6 years now. And here is our cooler. This is what my mom made for me to bring home using the banana leaf she grow in the backyard. These some of the alligator gar that I caught and sealed in my last couple of videos, and I brought my parents some here, and some fish I caught in my state, brought over and share with my parents. Over here is all the fishing stuff that my brother and my dad is into fishing too. He bring a generator to fishing to hook up all this light. He do a lot of night fishing. Here's all his fishing gear, and he got this light that he bring to for night fishing as well. Nets, crab nets, umbrella, chairs. He got more fishing pole now. Some Penn Pursuit, and how crowd the pier here in Texas. They only use monofilament, but over in my area we use forgot what's brake line more. Yesterday My dad and my brother went fishing, so all the gear came back and my dad cleaned it already. He did some crapping, so some more these crapping net here, LED lights, some buckets, and he has a wagon here. And some net in there. That's pretty much the tour of the garage with tools and fishing accessory tools, whatnot. Alright, let me take a sip of my coffee. Then I gotta look for some Windex to clean my windshield with all the bugs that I catch from that 6-hour drive over here. This is the front yard right here. This is my dad's truck, and I park on that side due to limit parking space. Alright, let's see if I can find some window cleaner. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for.